Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Jackson Hewitt tax account. For this guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and bring up the search bar and type in Jackson Hewitt tax login and hit the enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.jacksonhewitt.com. Click on that link. It might take a while to loading. Wait for it. You will be taken to the official website of Jackson Hewitt. Now over here you can see the login button. Just click on login button to login. Now again you will be taken to the new interface, which is login page. Now over here you just need to enter your email address or username. Similarly, enter your password over here. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on show button to see your password. In case if you forgot your username or email, just click on forgot username or email to recover your username or email. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forgot password to recover your password. And once you click on sign in button, you will be easily access your account. In case if you don't have any account of Jackson Hewitt tax, just click on create an account. Then you will be able to create a new account. This much for today guys. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.